Can I display pictures from my social media accounts on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to cover a topic that's quite popular: how to display pictures from your social media accounts on your Samsung Smart TV. If you've ever wondered how to showcase your memorable moments on the big screen, then stick with us as we guide you through the process.
Is it possible to display social media photos on your Samsung Smart TV?
Yes, it absolutely is. Samsung Smart TVs are designed to connect with the internet, and they offer a range of apps, including social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Through these apps, you can access and display your photos on your TV screen. Please remember, the availability of these apps can vary based on your location and the model of your Samsung Smart TV.
How to install social media apps on your Samsung Smart TV?
Firstly, you'll need to install the social media app from which you want to display the photos. Follow these steps to install the app. 1. Press the Home button on your Samsung TV remote. 2. Navigate to the Apps panel. 3. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to install, e.g., Facebook, Instagram. 4. Select the app from the search results and click on Install. Once installed, the app should appear in your Apps section for easy access.
How to display photos from these social media apps?
After successfully installing the social media app on your TV, the next step is to log into your account and access your photos. Here's how. 1. Open the social media app on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. Sign in to your account using your username and password. 3. Navigate to your profile and select the photos or album you want to display. Please note, the steps to navigate and access photos may vary slightly depending on the social media app you're using. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite social media pictures on your Samsung Smart TV. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're now better equipped to display your cherished memories on the big screen. Thanks for tuning in and see you in our next video.